Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross-watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. That's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world. So take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind, okay? What do Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy for this reading. First, we have the Nine of Pentacles. This is your current energy. Wow. We also have the Page of Swords. This is your challenge. And the Tower as your spiritual lesson in this reading, sorry. We also have the Magician. This is the past energy. We will see the present energy is the Fool. The future energy is the Moon. Your attitude is the Three of Cups. Outside influence is the Seven of Swords. The hopes and fears in this reading is the Two of Swords. And the outcome of this reading is the Eight of Wands. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your readings for today, guys. Let me clarify your readings for today. This is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it is not resonates to you guys, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story, okay? The first foundation of this reading, which is your current energy, is the Nine of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You can work alone successfully without the help of others. And you realize as well that you don't need other people to validate you, to tell you what to do in order for you to be a successful person, because you are confident. You are also self-independent person. You are not relying others. For some of you guys, you are enjoying your freedom. And others of you, you have this financial success and stability. Or it's because of your hard work and or a self-made success. For some of you, maybe you are manifesting this and you are still working because you believe that you will land into a financial success and stability. Aside from that, I feel like you are very ambitious and you have courage as well to pursue this either creativity, business, or an investment. I don't know what is this all about, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be related to your career. For some of you guys, I feel like maybe for some of you, not all of you, you are dealing with a Virgo. And this person needs your support. Could also be that this person needs your financial support. Likewise, it could also be that this person wants to support you or wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Could be a Virgo. Could also be a group of people, either in your family or in your workplace. It could also be in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. This is your energy. You are confident and you are a very independent person. You are also taking care of yourself. You knew your worth. That's why you don't need others to validate you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see. The challenge in this reading is the Page of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or you have an air sign in your birth chart. Could also be a Gemini because normally the Page of Swords is embodied the energy of Gemini. It could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? For some of you guys, I feel like this is your energy. You are very defensive. It could also be that you are going to receive a delayed communication. Could be from this person who embodied the energy of an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Others of you guys, it could also be that somebody here is spying on you, far from a distance. This person is gathering information about you. This person find ways on how to approach you, how to communicate with you. Maybe for some of you, you have no communication with this person, or it could also be a new person. This person is your stalker. Could also be a group of people. I feel like there are lots of people as well who are stalking you, spying on you through your social media. It could be in your TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or any other kind of platform. You look, because this is your energy. You are embodied the energy of the Nine of Pentacles. Because of your creativity and you can work alone successfully, it's because you are very confident. That's why I feel like this person or group of people are spying on you through your social media. Because for some of them guys, sorry, because my truth is not okay. For some of them guys, it could also be that they want to communicate with you. They want to approach you. That's why they are gathering some information about you. Could also be that they want to collaborate with you. And this is your challenge. Others of you guys, this person or this group of people viewed you as a very defensive person. It's because I feel like you have learned your lesson. You don't want to prolong into a mental agility. That's why the universe advised you here to be very strategic. To be skeptical, logical, and analytical. Because sometimes, when we are going to take an action or the certain things without thinking or without planning, it may lead us sometimes into troubles and or conflict. Take only what fits in your story. You have lots of stalkers, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And let me see. The spiritual lesson here is the Torm. The Torm is, this is their Torm. Yeah, their Torm is the Tower. This is a German language tarot card. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio, because the Tower is embodied the energy of Mars. And Aries ruling planet is Mars, and Mars is one of the ruling planets of a Scorpio. Either you are dealing with this person, both Aries or Scorpio. And I feel like there is an unexpected ending here, an upheaval. Could also be a loss, a distraction, and a havoc. Could also be that for some of you, this is a sudden realization of all the things. This is not always like an Armageddon. I feel like this is the end. You managed to end, because this is the past lesson, you managed to end the lies, the deceit, the betrayals, and the illusion, where people are created on you. Could also be that this person is in your family. Could also be in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And I feel like there is a separation here, an unexpected ending, a loss, and an upheaval. This is the end of lies, deceit, and betrayals. This is your spiritual lesson because you are awakened. You have seen the truth. You have also realized what are the intention of this person or group of people in the past towards you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Magician. This is the past situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either Virgo or Gemini, or you have a Gemini or Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. The universe advises you here to don't waste your power. You need to take an action with your manifestations. I don't know what you are manifesting for. It's because you have all the tools needed in order to make your manifestations come true. Everything is under your control. All you need to do is to take an action, to believe in yourself, to trust yourself, and also to trust the magic of the universe. The sword is your will and the power of your mind. You are having, or you are guided here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you have all the tools needed. The 4 elements is in your hands. The water, the air, the fire, and the earth. For most of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of either Gemini or Virgo. Could also be that this person wants to trick you, or this person is manifesting you in their lives. The universe advises you here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that if you have a manifestations, you need to take an action. And you don't need to waste your time, especially with some people who are very destructive. All you need to do is to use your power to take an action with this creativity and investment or a business venture, because you have everything under your control. Whatever you are going to manifest, it will come to you. You need to trust yourself, to trust the magic. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the Fool. This is the present energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. It's because the Fool is embodied the energy of Uranus, and Uranus is one of the ruling planets of an Aquarius. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or it could also be other sign, not necessary. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is the energy of a person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. This person wants to take a leap of faith towards on you. This person wants to take a risk. Could also be that if this person is your ex, this person wants to reconcile with you, to take a risk, to take a leap of faith. Maybe in the past, this person is non-committal, and now this person realizes that you are the one for them. Now this person is willing to take an adventure, to risk their lives because of you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be other sign. Others of you guys, the universe advise you here to embrace your fears, to take a leap of faith. For some of you, you are already taking a leap of faith, and this is your present energy. That's why in this reading, this is your present energy, because you are taking a leap of faith. Because you realize that you have lots of potentials, you have lots of possibilities with this new beginning in your life. Others of you, if you are not taking a leap of faith, the universe advises you to take a leap of faith, because you have lots of potential and possibilities in this new era of your life. It could also be that this person wants to have a new or fresh start with this relationship. If this is your ex, if this is a new person, this person wants to take an adventure with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the moon is your future energy, the future energy of this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is doing something in the dark. This person is shady. It could also be that this is your energy, but I don't think that this is you. Maybe you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Pisces. This person could be in your workplace, could also be in your family, could also be your ex, could also be in your friend circle or in the community. Somebody here is keeping secrets on you. I don't know. Last time, my previous reading, the moon was also come out. Somebody here is keeping secrets on you. Could also be that they are keeping their feelings towards on you. It could also be that they are going to reveal their feelings towards on you. Could be a Pisces. Could also be that this person hiding a dark secrets on you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio, whatever the secrets are, I feel like they want to reveal this to you, but they are not sure. They are scared to tell you these secrets, their dark secrets. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Pisces. Could also be other sign. The universe advises you here to pay attention with your dreams and the synchronicities, and to listen to your inner voice, your intuition. Take only what fits in your stories, okay? And this is the attitude of this reading. Your attitude, or the attitude of the person you are dealing with. This is the 4 of Cups. Sorry, I said 3 of Cups. This is the 4 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. It could also be a group of people. I feel like somebody here is still clinging in the old situationship. This is the feelings of a certain person. Somebody here still clinging in your energy, still stuck in their feelings on you. Could be a Cancer, could also be a group of people. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to turn around, because you don't have to cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. Somebody here is feeling rejected by you. Or somebody here missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. Could be a Cancer. Could also be other sign or a group of people. Could be that this is in your family, in your workplace. Could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. But somebody here is still clinging your energy. And the Four of Cups is embodied the energy of a Cancer. Take only what fits in your story, because in Tarot, it could also be reversal. In Tarot, there is no gender. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here, the outside influence is the Seven of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Double confirmation. The Fool. And the Seven of Swords. Not necessarily an Aquarius, but I said double confirmation. Aquarius. Or this is a group of people. This group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. Somebody here is doing trickery behind the scenes. Somebody here wants to steal from you. Could be your time, your energy, your resources, or it could also be your ideas. The universe advises you here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be very careful with whom you have access in your life. Somebody here, a group of people could be, wants to sabotage you, wants to sabotage your success, your stability, and or your financial matters. Could also be that somebody here wants to offer you a fake, what do you call this, business opportunities. Somebody here wants to win at all costs. Could be an Aquarius or a group of people. This group of people are trying to trick you, to manipulate you, to sabotage you. Because this group of people hate you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and they are jealous on you because you are embodied the energy of the Nine of Pentacles, and they hate it. This group of people are the people who are heartless, lack of conscience, lack of morals, lack of ethics, lack of integrity. They don't care with whom they are going to hurt because they only want to win at all costs. They are not happy with their own lives. And because you are in this energy of the Nine of Pentacles, they hate it because they knew that you have a victory, that you will have a financial success and stability. For some of you, you already have this financial success and abundance. And that's why this person or group of people doesn't want you to shine. They hate it. That's why they want to take or to put blockage, to sidetrack with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, with this your new beginning. Because this is your new beginning, the Fool. They hate it that in your new beginning, you have financial success and abundance, and you are on the path of success. And that's why they are planning to trick you. If you have attachment with people in your life at this moment, be very careful. Especially when you are going to allow them to enter inside your home. Somebody is planning something. This is the people who have no conscience. It's because of jealousy and envy. They are going to plan this to you. Could also be that Aquarius is involved in this scenario because this is the Seven of Swords. This group of people tried to put blockage on your path because they hate it that you are in the Nine of Pentacles, that you have a financial success and abundance. For some of you, it is coming your way. And this is the outside influence. The Seven of Swords. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You're snaking away from this group of people because they are nosy. They want to know your business. They want to intervene your business. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, the hopes and fears is the Two of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like for some of you, this is your energy. You are in the crossroads and you are advised to make an important decision in your life. It could also be that there are people in your life who wants to blindfold you, to confuse you. Could be that this person who embodied the energy of Libra. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Libra. And this person is now in the crossroads. Maybe this person put you in a third-party situation. And that's why the attention of this person is divided into two. And this person could be making an important decision and a choice. Because I feel like they are feeling confused. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Libra. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. For most of you guys, you are advised here to listen to your intuition. It's because the truth, you are not blindfolded here. This is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. There are lots of things in our lives which our mind couldn't explain. That's why we need to listen to our intuition. And this is your hopes and fears in this reading. Take only what fits in your story. And the outcome is the Eight of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be a group of people. This is a positive card energy. This is related to leveling up. It could also be related to travel. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are going to promote into other position in your job. I don't know what is your story. This is leveling up, or it could also be that you are going to travel and work, or you are going to travel for pleasure. For some of you, it could also be that you are planning to travel with your family, or you want to travel alone. For some of you, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Sagittarius wants to have a romantic vacation with you. I love this card for you because this is all about positivity. Maybe for some of you, you are going to travel and work, or you are going to travel for pleasure, a vacation holiday with your family and your loved ones. Take only what fits in your story. This is the outcome of this reading. And clarify me please the moon here. Why the moon in this reading, please? Tell me more about the moon here. The moon is clarified as Scorpio, the Mystikerin. This is a German language astro cards, which means Scorpio, the mystic. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of either Pisces or Scorpio are keeping secrets on you. It could also be that they are going to tell you their secrets, their feelings towards on you. Because somebody here is doing something in the dark. Somebody here is shady. I don't know what is this all about. Either you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Pisces or Scorpio, and there will be a secrets going to reveal here, or there is an exposure of their secrets, a revelation of the secrets they are hiding from you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the tower here. Why the tower in this reading? Tell me more about the tower here, please. Just a minute. Sorry guys for the interruption. So we are going to clarify the moon in this reading. Sorry, the tower. We are going to clarify the tower. Show me the cards what I need to see, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the tower in this reading? The tower is clarified as Veda, Dekam Feroshi. This is a German language astro cards, which means Veda is an heiress, the fighter, the survivor. This is the clarification of the tower. And the tower is also embodied the energy of either Aries or Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. It could also be other sign. And this is the clarification. Could be that there is an unexpected ending here. It could also be a revelation of all the lies and secrets that they are hiding from you. Because somebody here is keeping secrets on you. You look. Somebody here is doing shady in the dark. Could also be that you are dealing with this person, either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio, and there is an unexpected ending here. It could also be that there is an exposure of all the lies and deceit, because this is an illusion, the tower. Could be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Seven of Swords in this reading. Why the Seven of Swords here, please? The Seven of Swords is clarified as Steinbock des Schiffen. This is a German language astro cards, which means Capricorn, the lady boss. And this is the clarification of the Seven of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius or a Capricorn. It could also be that this person is planning to trick you, to sabotage your connection. It could also be to distract you or sidetrack your success, your financial abundance, because you look, the Nine of Pentacles, yeah. And this person is a heartless person. Could be either an Aquarius or a Capricorn. Could also be a group of people. Involves Aquarius and or Capricorn. And they are planning to sabotage you, to manipulate you, because they don't like your new beginnings, that you have a financial success and stability coming your way. For some of you, you have this already. They knew that you are heading towards success. And that's why they don't like it. Whatever the reason, for most of these people, they are envy and jealous on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, especially with your new beginnings. And that's why, for some of them guys, maybe they want to steal your ideas. This is also related to, maybe they want to steal your time. They want to distract you, that you cannot continue your journey. You cannot concentrate because you are focusing on your stability. And they don't like it. This person could be an Aquarius or a Capricorn. Involves a group of people. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be that this person is your boss. The lady boss. Yeah. Could also be that this person is already your ex-boss. Could also be a Pisces ex-boss. Yeah. Because somebody here is keeping secrets on you. Could also be that this person wants to distract your new beginnings because they don't like it. For this group of people, or for this person, they don't care because they are heartless. That's why they want to win at all cost. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Magician in this reading. Why the Magician here? Please tell me more about the Magician here. The Magician is clarified as Merkur, Verstand on Sprache. This is a German language astro cards. This is Mercury. Understand and language. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Virgo or Gemini. And exactly the energy of the Magician. Because Mercury is the ruling planet of Gemini and the ruling planet of Virgo as well. It could also be that this person, these two persons, either Virgo or Gemini, wants to trick you. It could also be that either they wants to trick you or they are manifesting you in their lives. I don't know which is your story here. And this person could be planning to communicate with you because Mercury is the planet of communication. For some of you guys, you have no communication with this person who embodied the energy of either Gemini or Virgo. Maybe they are planning to communicate with you. Because for most of you, you are giving a silent treatment with this person. Yeah. You look. And you are. Could be that this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. The two reasons why this person or these people wants to communicate with you is that either they wants to trick you or they are manifesting you in their lives. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please why the Two of Swords here. Why the Two of Swords in this reading? The Two of Swords is clarified as Vage. Decision heights Tege. This is a German language astro cards. Vage is a Libra. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, and exactly with the Two of Swords is also embodied the energy of a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Could be that this person put you in a third party situation, in a love triangle. It could also be that this person now is confused because this person is going to make an important decision in their lives. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is your energy and this person tried to blindfold you, tried to confuse you. Could be a Libra. Could also be other sign. Others of you guys, whatever this person did to you, you are going to receive your justice. Because this is the balance. It could also be that this person wants to give you the balance in this relationship. Could be a Libra. Could also be other sign. And this person now is reaping what they sown on you. This is justice. Justice is like the law of karma. What goes around comes around. Take only what fits in your story. Could be a Libra, and this is double confirmation. Vage is Libra as well. Clarify me please the Nine of Pentacles here. Why the Nine of Pentacles in this reading, please? The Nine of Pentacles is clarified as 10th house, career and success. This is a German language astro cards. Karriere on Erfolg. This is career and success. 10th house is embodied the energy of a Capricorn. It could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. And I feel like this person viewed you as an independent, hardworking, and confident person. It could also that this person wants to collaborate with you. Could be a Capricorn, or this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you guys, it could also that this person needs your financial support. Likewise, it could also that this person wants to nurture the relationship and wants to support you. I don't know where is your energy here. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Four of Cups in this reading. Why the Four of Cups here, please? The Four of Cups is clarified as... Sorry. Just a minute, guys. Why the Four of Cups in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Four of Cups, sir, please? The Four of Cups is clarified as South Node. This is the old karma. For some of you guys, it could also be that you have a past life with this person who embodied the energy of a Cancer. And this is a repeated patterns, a repeated cycle. It's because somebody here never learned their lessons, and that's why it is repeated, the cycle. Maybe you have a past relationship with this person. Could be a Cancer. This is like deja vu. And this is the old karma. Yeah. This is a past connection. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person missed the opportunity. This person could be your twin flame or your soulmate. And somebody has missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. Could be a past person. Because if somebody never learned their lessons, it will repeat it again in order for someone to learn it. This is the old karma. Could be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Cancer or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, the 8 of Wands here. Thank you, spirits. The 8 of Wands is clarified as Jungfrau. Jungfrau is the alchemist thing. Jungfrau is a Virgo. Yeah. This is the clarification of the 8 of Wands. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Virgo or a Sagittarius. And I feel like this person wants to travel with you or to travel towards on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person could be a Virgo or a Sagittarius. It could also be that this person wants to have a romantic vacation holiday with you. Could also be a Virgo or a Sagittarius. I don't know who is this person in your life. Take only what fits in your story. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. And please also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for joining me here. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.